I'm Laura. Today I will tell you about the maintenance method of this four-wheel drive dump truck. First of all, our vehicles need to be serviced regularly at a service station. Antifreeze need to be changed every 90,000 kilometers. Regularly check whether the vehicle accessories has aging wear and tear. Screws are loose or not. If problems are found, they should be replaced and repaired in time. After lifting the cargo box 300 times, hydraulic oil needs to be replaced. Clean the air filter regularly. Check the battery to keep the vehicle's power system in good working condition. If you are interested in us, please follow us. See you next time. Bye-bye.